you realise you're wearing it and you feel like an 18th century man. I've got red lipstick on because I just filmed a Christmas video and I know that if I take it off it's going to smudge all over my face. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Ellie if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to the fam. Basically, I want to style a load of pieces that I don't wear anymore to try and create outfits with them. Come along on this terrifying journey with me and we can see what we can do, and hopefully it might inspire you to look back through your wardrobe and try and do the same. I have a good selection of pieces to choose from and I think there might have to be a part 2 of this because there are so many pieces that I just don't know how to style anymore because the clothes I wore when I was 14 aren't really my vibe now. The first piece that I want to style are these because I still absolutely love these. They've got long white stripes down the side and they're really slouchy and cozy and comfy and I love them. I do really love these. I just don't know how to style them. So that's what we're going to do now, and I'm going to try and do it really out of my comfort zone so we get some really snazzy outfits. Let's have a look through my drawers and see what we can put with it. I have this leather blazer from Cider, which I think could be really cool to wear with the joggers. So if we had those, we just need to find a top situation. I really want to play around with layering and get really good at layering. So what I'm going to try to do is find several pieces that we can layer up. I just don't want to create a really boring outfit and then not end up wearing it. I want it to be something that I really want to wear. Right, I've grabbed a few pieces out. I've got this shirt, which is my mum's, and then this brown bodysuit, which is from Primark. And I'm going to try and slot it together. I don't know what order I'm going to put it on in. Let's have a look. I'm going to attempt to put this bodysuit on over top and we can see what that looks like. That actually worked. Okay, I was not expecting that to work. But it works so well. Look at this. Okay, next piece to layer. Practice layering things. Why am I so close? Just keep playing around with different pieces and layering them up until you find what you like, because look at this. Kind of looks gross on camera, but in person it looks kind of cool. I think it needs to be cropped more. Look, so this is the outfit I put together. I actually love it so much. It's so out of my comfort zone. Don't even try to tell me I'm not going to wear these. Jewellery wise over here, I think definitely gold. This, yes. I'm thinking green. We need some green earrings, rings, and I'm not entirely sure which bag. Eee, stuck on my finger. Okay, this is next level. Let me give you a little rundown. Obviously we've spoken about it as we went along, but this is so different for me, so out of my comfort zone, but so I love it. There's so much going on here compared to a usual outfit that I would wear. Can you just stay behind so they can see? It looks as if I'm going off to New York for a week, not coming back. See you later. I've untucked it a bit and I think it looks cooler. But I think this has been really successful. This has definitely opened my eyes as to how I can wear these more than selling them or giving them away. But yeah, so that's the first outfit we put together using pieces I don't wear anymore. Look like a little chipmunk. Love it. Whenever I film a video like this, the further through the video we get, the more progressively weird I get. So brace yourselves, babes. Me when I was 6 at a disco, thinking I was the coolest bitch. Also, do you ever get it when you're wearing a roll neck for a certain amount of time and then you realise you're wearing it and you feel like an 18th century man? The next piece is this beauty. We've got to figure out how to wear this because it's so pretty. I just never know how to wear it because it's obviously got so many holes in it and you can't really wear that with nothing underneath. Well, you could theoretically, but I'm not going to. I'm going to have a look on Pinterest. I'm going to search crochet tops, as you can see here. I don't know what this movement is, but it's kind of cool. Yeah, so I'm going to search that and then I'll come back to you and we can style the next piece. You can tell how hyped I get when I film fashion videos. It's just so crazy to me. Oh, you can't zoom in on this mode. That's a bit awkward. I was going to zoom in, but now we're just stuck with a close-up of my lips and my crusty nose. So, some pieces that I pulled out to go with the crochet top. I have a cream jacket, which is basically the same colour, cream jeans, which are exactly the same colour, and I have this green high neck top, which could go underneath. That's my thought process. Then I also have this brown hoodie. Sorry for my great display of showing you my clothes. I'm going to put it on and then we can see what it looks like. Also, even this looks pretty cute. See, you get so many options when you just stand in style. It's like what I said in my video about ways to make the most of your clothes before you buy more. I literally don't know if that was what it was called or not. I put it in the eye. But that's what I was talking about. Oh, this is really exposing the state of my room right now. Also, another tip is hairstyles can make a massive difference to an outfit. My hair fell out whilst I was putting that on. Oh, that was snazzy. This is before we've added any layers. Cute outfit, but very basic. So we're not here for that. Also, in case you wanted to know, yes, my lipstick is going everywhere. But it's fine. Sometimes when you lay it out, you might think, it's alright. But then when you actually put it on, that's when it becomes next level. So this does not look cute at the moment. This is what we look like. What I'm going to do to fix it is I'm going to tuck it up under. I can't do that whilst holding the camera though. I do really like this, surprising myself. So I've got the green roll neck on underneath. I've then got this. I've got brown cardigan, jumper, hoodie thing, and cream jacket over top. I always get to this stage because they're always a bit weird when you put a layered, heavily crazy outfit on. Where I don't quite like it, but then you have to play around with it a bit and then you get the outfit you like, and usually that's done by adding the accessories and doing your hair. Let's figure out my hair. Also, sorry about the state of my mirror. So, hair. What are we gonna do? I kind of want to take the lipstick off. What on earth did I do to make them look that weird? I think I fixed it. Just don't look too close. I went for a low bun. Accessories time. Terrible angle. I've got these glasses on the top of my head. That was a horrendous angle. Thinking of doing some necklaces like this. Kind of looks weird over the roll neck, but I kind of like it at the same time. This is the outfit so far, but I feel like we're missing something. Is it a bag? I always like to look at my outfit in the long mirror just to see what I think of it, because then you can see what other people's perspectives of it is. That didn't make sense. Perspectives of it are. And I came through here and I actually love it. I really, really like this. Kind of obsessed. I added the bag. The shoes wise, I don't know what shoes I'd wear. Maybe green shoes. But I literally live in one pair of shoes. So, but yeah, this is me styling this crochet top that I don't usually wear. We'll move on to the next one. Piece 3 is rather exciting for me, but also kind of sad at the same time. So let me show you. It is this, oh, this is so difficult. This crochet cardigan that I crocheted myself. Yeah. The reason it's sad is because I haven't worn it yet, because I'm kind of too scared to wear it because I don't want to ruin it. But I also don't know how to style it, which I probably should have thought of before I made it. I need help. I'm struggling a bit. I'm also drowning in clothes, as you can tell. Basically, I do not know why I didn't crochet this in brown. Imagine if it was crocheted in brown. Probably be wearing it all the time. I have this mesh top, which is so cool. I just never have a clue what to wear underneath it, or over top of it for that matter. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a white t-shirt over top of this so that the mesh sleeves show through. Let me put it on and we can see. We're making progress. So I really like the combination of wearing this underneath the pink trousers of dreams that I made, and honestly need them in every single colour under the sun. I just don't think it's my thing, which is so irritating because when I tell you I spent from May until July crocheting this, there's no exaggeration there. That's also the thing with doing this, is you realise which pieces you really cannot style, and then you can either sell them or give them away. So I think we've concluded I don't vibe with the cardigan, so there's no point trying to create an outfit with the cardigan. which is so sad, honestly. But without the cardigan, I really like this outfit. So if we work with this, it's actually, this was another piece, the mesh top was another piece that I wanted to do in this video anyway. So if we work with this instead. How could I forget the hat? This happens to be the final fit. I really like this outfit. This is something I would wear maybe closer in the spring. Yeah, sadly can't style the cardigan to a way that I would like. I know I didn't try very hard, so I will keep trying with it, but we don't really have time in this video for that. These trousers, honestly, I made them. If you want me to link the tutorial, I can, just let me know. Yeah. Obsessed. Next piece is this green half and half jumper. I love this jumper. I just can never figure out ways to style it. So that's our job today. Let's style this one. So to start with, we have the little cardigan over top of my high neck 11 top. Love that. Then we have my dad's purple shirt over top of that with the leather blazer over top of that and black jeans. This would be such a cool outfit as well. Snazzy, may I say. Also, how cute would my hair be in a bob? That is pretty cool. Might have to experiment with that one day. So it doesn't work quite in the way I expected it to. I think it's the purple shirt that just doesn't look right with it. So I'm going to take the purple shirt off. This looks better. I think we've done it. Like I said, you have to look in the full length mirror. This might be one of the best outfits I've ever put together in my whole life. This top that I've not worn for months creates the best outfit I've ever worn. This is why you have to play around with the pieces that you already have before you buy new ones. What I added basically was a green necklace, some gold. I've got my green ring on. I put this headband in my hair because that elevates the outfit. As I showed you, I've got this underneath this. I put on the white shirt that I've had on before, just hanging underneath. Got my leather blazer on top and my mum's little black bag. Who gave me permission to create an outfit like this? You lot are probably going to be like, ew, why is she hyping this up so much? But I can't tell you how much I love this. So, very happy girl. Me. You could tell who I was talking about. Oh, that's cute. Ooh. This yellow and black stripy top. My only thoughts and ways I could wear it is wear it with black jeans and look like my 14-year-old self again. But we don't want to do that. I accidentally forgot to film all of that. This is like an elevated version of what I would have worn in year 8. I would have originally just worn the t-shirt and the jeans and I would have been like, yes, so cute. This is growth. So we have the mesh top underneath and I've put an old school shirt underneath as well. I think it's inside out actually. And it's also really difficult to tuck up without looking bunchy, but I think I just about managed it. I also put on a belt, got the glasses on my head, and I've got this bag in my hand. Also, black jumper just tied over the shoulders brings the black up and also elevates it further. You could do this with any t-shirt though. The ponytail also, I think, highlights the neckline. One sec, this is the struggle. Okay. Yes, so this is the final look and another, again, really, really love it. I just did not realise you could create so many cool outfits with what you've already got. So you will see me wearing this a lot. Also, this hairstyle with this outfit. So this is giving me serious Y2K vibes. I've just used claw clip in my hair. That just happens to be the end of today's video. There is definitely going to have to be a part 2 of this because it's opened up my eyes so much, and also I've got so many more pieces that I want to do it with. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all and I will see you in next week's video. Bye.